The changing of the seasons is one of the most fascinating natural cycles on Earth, and it all comes down to a combination of two factors: the tilt of our planet's axis and its journey around the sun. To truly understand why we experience spring, summer, autumn, and winter, let's start by looking at the Earth itself. Imagine the Earth as a spinning top, but instead of standing perfectly upright, it leans to one side. This tilt is about 23.5 degrees from vertical, and it stays constant as the Earth makes its way around the sun. This tilt is the key to our seasons. Now, picture the Earth's orbit as an elongated circle, with the sun sitting slightly off center. Each year, Earth completes one full trip around the sun, traveling nearly 940 million kilometers. But as our planet orbits, its axis always points in the same direction, towards the North Star, Polaris. This means that during different parts of the year, either the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere is tilted more directly towards the sun. Let's begin with the June solstice. Around June 21st each year, the North Pole is tilted closest to the sun. This means the sun's rays strike the northern hemisphere more directly and for longer periods each day. The result is warmer temperatures and longer days, what we recognize as summer in places like North America, Europe, and Asia. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, receiving less direct sunlight and shorter days, which brings winter to countries like Australia, Argentina, and South Africa. 6 months later, around December 21st, the situation is reversed. The South Pole leans towards the sun, delivering intense sunlight and longer days to the southern hemisphere, marking their summer. Meanwhile, the northern hemisphere is tilted away, leading to colder temperatures and shorter days. Winter has arrived in the north. Halfway between these extremes are the equinoxes, which occur around March 21st and September 23rd. During these times, neither hemisphere is tilted towards or away from the sun. The sun's rays shine equally on both hemispheres, resulting in nearly equal day and night lengths all over the globe. These moments mark the start of spring and autumn, depending on which hemisphere you're in. But why does the tilt matter so much? When a hemisphere tilts towards the sun, sunlight hits it more directly. Think of how much hotter it feels when the midday sun is high overhead compared to the cooler, slanting rays of the morning or evening. The higher angle of sunlight during summer means more energy concentrates over a smaller area, warming the land and air more efficiently. In winter, when the sun appears lower in the sky, its energy is spread over a larger area and must pass through more of the atmosphere, leading to cooler temperatures. It's important to remember that the seasons aren't caused by how close the Earth is to the sun. In fact, Earth reaches its closest point to the sun in early January during the northern hemisphere's winter. It's the tilt, not the distance, that makes all the difference. This constant dance, the steady tilt, and the annual orbit creates the rhythmic pulse of the seasons. It's why we celebrate the return of spring, bask in the heat of summer, admire the colors of autumn, and bundle up through winter's chill. The tilt of the Earth's axis and its path around the sun shape the natural world, influencing everything from weather patterns and animal migrations to the rhythms of plant growth and the timing of human activities. So, next time you notice the days growing longer or shorter, remember, it's all thanks to our planet's gentle lean and its endless journey around the sun.